All right, so in this practice activity for functions in code.org, we're looking at the calling functions multiple times, which again, you can do that. We have set flyer here. So we're calling it right here. So when the program runs, it's just going to go down here and draw this that we have in this set flyer. Let's take a look at that a second. So as we can see, you have the character moving across, and we have our set flyer, which is flyer. We're just having it move across the screen using this. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to call on this again, but we want to do it inside the draw loop so we can add some. We have this if statement right here. So if the flyer, if it reaches -50, then we're going to have it go back to this beginning and start over again. So what we're going to want to do is just call on that function, that set flyer. So we're going to go over here to functions, and we're going to drag this out, and we're going to say set flyer. All right, so let's go ahead and run this now. And we notice our flyers going across the screen because inside our draw loop we're having our draw, our tree background is being displayed, and then our character's moving across. And what we want to do is have this change once we get to -50, is it's going to recreate it back over here again and set the flyer. So it gets to -x, it's going to call on that set flyer and run through that code again. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck.